Guys, you're never too old for kids' toys. Watch this video till the very end to find out why. Because today we're going to be looking at DIY kids' toys hacks. Let's jump right into it. Cool flashlight. This hack is very cool and unique for people who like to get creative. For this hack, you're going to need a plastic bag and put a white carton on top of it. Start drawing a huge picture for the whole carton. This is going to be used for something in just a moment, but we need to go in detail with it due to the fact for what's to come. Honestly, draw anything like the ocean preferably, and when you're done, put black carton over it. You'll see in a second. Draw a flashlight and make sure to color it in, and when you cut it out, make sure you keep the outline of a shine because that's what the coolest thing about this project is. Put the flashlight under the black carton and it'll look like you're shining a light onto the next drawing. And the result of all of this looks so cool. A fidget Rubik's Cube. So if you want to make a fidget Rubik's Cube, this is all you need. A push-pop fidget toy and a Rubik's Cube. Make sure the Rubik's Cube is organized and all of the sides are the same color, and grab your fidget toy and cut out all the pop pieces, and with that, glue them onto the same color category as the Rubik's Cube, and it should be a more entertaining way to play with it. The results are pretty cool. Guys, are you enjoying the video so far? Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. You don't want to miss out on any of our other videos. A caterpillar. Guys, this is a really great toy. All you're gonna need is a green piece of paper, cut it into many pieces, into long rectangles, and grab your piece, fold it in half, unfold it, and fold it to where the crease is. When you do that, fold the piece to where it was as well, and grab the other end of the paper and repeat the same steps. When it's all folded together, grab a pair of scissors and cut the corners of it into a round kind of shape. Now this is all complete, unfold it and it should look like a caterpillar. Now grab a Sharpie and draw eyes and a mouth on it, and grab a straw, that way it can be a way to move it, making it look realistic. A stress balloon. Have you ever wanted a stress ball but you couldn't find one? Well, don't worry, because we have a way to make one. Get a balloon and cut a few edges off of it. You'll need to do that in order to do this fun little hack. Once you have the holes, grab another balloon and put it inside, the one you just cut up, and grab a cone and put it by the hole of the balloon. Start pouring glitter into the balloon, pour some water, and when you're done, make sure to tie the balloon. Add a bow and start squeezing on it, and you can see the results, and it's actually so cool. Now let's move on to the next hack, which is a broken Barbie into a decoration. This one is good for people who are bored easy because it can keep you productive. We all know we've broken a Barbie at least once, so if you have one with no head, this is going to be a hack to bring it back to life. Grab a wooden cube and start painting it pink. You're going to find out why. Now spray paint the Barbie body completely white and hot glue it onto the wooden cube. What about the headpiece? Well, you can actually replace it with something like an artificial rose or even a flower. And now that it's finished, it looks very cool. But what do you use it for? Well, it's stylish, and it can actually be used for a stand for things like jewelry, rings, or other things in that category. Hang up your rings and bracelets because this is something that will be able to hold it. Let us know what you guys think about these hacks in the comments down below, but that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button, and also turn your post notifications on. Until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much as this one, and we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye now!